Eurowall's floater product approved and HVAC approved impact rated multi-slide doors offer the largest panel sizes and the smallest interlock sightlines available. These narrow interlocks at less than 1 inch create the maximum glass to metal ratios available. Impact panels can span up to 70 square feet with heights up to 12 feet tall and widths up to 8 feet wide. These movable glass walls provide awe-inspiring views for any project. Multi-slide panels can weigh up to 800 pounds, yet they glide smoothly and effortlessly. 2 robust wheel sets made of stainless steel and nylon Kevlar composite support 660 pounds of load each, and twin-point locking levers engage pawls and catches for safety and security. 2 to 5 track options are available to accommodate up to 8 panels for a single opening, allowing for flexible configurations to meet your project goals. Custom layouts are also available. Postless corner options achieve open-air concepts, and pocket applications allow panels to slide and recess out of view. Flush thresholds can be achieved through our fully embedded option. Embedded sills can infill for a truly smooth interior to exterior transition. And no matter what your embed scenario is, the multi-slide door system is water rated without the need of a sill riser. An optional water management system provides an extra level of water infiltration prevention where water concerns are a top priority. For quality, the multi-slide is superior by design and exceeds the demands of the harshest coastal environments. Stainless steel components, an industry's best AMA 2605 Kynar coating, and heavy gauge 6063 T5 grade aluminum are all standards for the multi-slide product line. To truly create a unique opening, additional options are available. Custom colors, wood-clad veneers, SDLs, custom ladder poles up to 96 inches tall, and motorization are just a few options that enable your project to stand out from the crowd. 1-inch interlocks, industry-leading panel sizes, and flexible configurations all allow for views that have never before been possible and break expectations for what can be achieved with a sliding door. To learn more about Eurowall's impact-rated multi-slide door, visit our website at euro-wall.com.